Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today we are going to be cleaning and undecorating, not just for Valentine's Day, but also for our current move to another state. A little house update, guys. Yes, we are scheduled to close on March 1st, and if you've been following our house hunting journey, you know there's been a few struggles, which I will fill you guys all in when we finally close. But yeah, right now we're going to tackle this living room and get it all packed up and squared away.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe.
I hope all of you guys enjoyed Valentine's Day. Let me know what you guys did down in the comments.
That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes.
So this is one piece that I know I will not be needing in our new home because it's a dark chocolate or mocha, and that's not the tone that we're going for right now. So I will be getting rid of this piece immediately, but like the table and end tables and stuff, I will be seeing if anyone wants them later, closer to when we actually move in.
But I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh, no. Well, darling, oh.
So I didn't have any paper to properly pack these and wrap them up, but these might just be one item I drive down to Delaware with me. We are still deciding if we're hiring movers or not, so I will see. But this TV stand we also will be putting up for sale. We don't need it. Again, it's not the right color, and all of our TVs will be mounted in our new home. We wasn't able to mount TVs in this house, so we have bought this, so we don't need it now.
I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make me glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel.
So guys, I won this Valentine's Day gift, which was a bottle of Pink Sugar perfume from Aisha Marie, guys. Go check out her channel. I love it. She does a lot of fashion hauls, which she looks cute in everything she puts on, and they're very affordable hauls. And she's also like a perfume connoisseur. Like, I don't know if that's a thing, but the girl knows her perfumes from the high end to the low ends. Okay, so go check her out and tell her I sent you, guys.
So wrap your arms around me like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
There was no point in packing away this candle, so I just let it finish burning until it's all done.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one.
So here's all of the Valentine's Day decor items that need to go back in this tote. Even though some of them aren't decor items, I'm just going to put them in here for right now. And when you are storing your stuff, make sure you keep the plastic and the paper that you bought your items with, so you can wrap them back up in those papers and plastic. Like, for instance, I have a lot of glass vases and just heavy glittered stuff like that love sign. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it all in paper and plastic and pack it away.
It all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust.
The living room curtains and the carpet will be thrown out at the last minute, so those are the only things I didn't get to. But here is the final look. It's looking pretty bare in here, guys, but as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.
The things I